Yep. All this.
Yep.
And all of this.
Okay. Yep.
Here.
Yep.
And obviously there.
Like my car.
Yes, obviously you had bodywork done.
Yeah.
Nothing this old never gonna never be touched like
Yeah.
the two-tone. My
It's
favourite
so cool.
two-tone is the FC.
Like a blue.
They're just there's not many cars that are two-tone.
When people come to my house, they always walk straight up to the Chevy.
Right.
It's a Tourer, wooden spoke wheels, 29.
Oh wow. 29.
And it was first year the 6-cylinder Chevs. And so it's got no roof, it's like it's convertible, and it's got this windscreen like that, and then there's a one windscreen wiper, and the lever comes over the top, and as you're driving it, you do that.
It's the same ease engine too.
Did you want us to jack up the front of the trailer?
I got it. I didn't.
It's pretty light.
Yeah, but when I put it on, when it comes back here, it'll tilt.
Okay.
Okay.
Because when I put it on, it didn't interfere with it.
Yeah. Okay.
It's good inside. It's really good to drive. It's comfortable.
How's it feel?
Wow.
Is it too tall or too short? Oh no! The roof is actually quite deep and have a look.
Michael Harrington is my name. I'm from Hazelwood North, and I'm here today to drop off my car to get some massive repairs done by yours truly over there. Always been my passion to own an FC. I'm a Holden man from way back. It's all I've ever wanted is Holdens and all I've ever driven. I saw this advertised on a site in Tasmania, so I actually brought it sight unseen, and hence why I'm getting all the hidden rust fixed up now, which I didn't see. And beyond that, it come from South Australia. So someone owned it in South Australia, and they owned it for 20 years as far as I know. And then they converted this into a bit of a hot rod compared to what a standard issue would have been of an FC. So it's 1959 model, and it's a special, which was the poorly described forerunner of the Premiers in Holdens. It had just all the extra little bits of chromey bits and pieces and that you don't see on a normal standard one.
Right.
Apart from that, you didn't get much else.
So does it have ABS?
Doesn't have ABS.
Does it have airbags?
No airbags, but it does
Traction control?
have, right, this is the camping edition. It does have a seat that clicks and it lays down and you can sleep in there.
And so the original car would have had a grey motor?
Grey motor.
3-speed?
138, 3-speed on the column. And this is the standard colours that come out in.
Yeah. And what's in it now?
Now it's got a 186 red motor, and it's got a HR disc brake front end, and it's got an all Aussie 4-speed gearbox.
And is it lowered? Looks low.
Yeah, it's been lowered, and it's had a suspension kit put through it to strengthen. If once you lift it up in the air, you'll see it's got all the bars and that strengthening it. So leaf springs, yep.
Leaf spring, live rear axle, drum brakes.
Drum brakes.
Drum brakes
on
at
the
the back.
rear.
Power boosted.
Ooh.
Moved up in the world.
Is it running right now?
Yes, running without a radiator, so I can run for 3 minutes, and it starts to get a bit hot.
And apparently you cooked it.
Yes, I cooked it because I drove it home from the port, and it delivered by boat from Tasmania, and I got halfway, and it just steamed like you wouldn't believe. But being a Holden steel head, you don't warp it, so I'm pretty confident that it'll start again. We can lift that up.
So there's the beastie engine.
Hard to tell at the moment, but yeah.
Is it modified or stock?
I don't think it's modified.
Right.
No, because when I drove it home, it just seemed to go like a typical red. Didn't have any extra grunt, it hasn't got
Didn't
the old
rev
terror
out.
heads. Nah.
Is that the original firewall?
It is?
Okay. Yeah, wow, look how far back.
Yeah.
Yeah. Extra space.
Yeah.
Yeah, hence the issue with the 3-core radiator, because everything's that close, and these do bounce around a bit.
Electronic dizzy.
Yep.
Anything else under the bonnet that's noteworthy?
It's got a, if you can see it, it's got an awesome looking heater, and they were a NASCO special, and they're rare as, and you see them advertised, you know, that people want hundreds of dollars for it, just for a little heater that's in the car.
This at FC.
Yep.
So this has got electric wipers standard.
It did, yeah.
Yeah, 'cause
As
the
far as I
original
know,
ones
as far
had
as I know.
vacuum.
Definitely FJ's had them, but they were vacuum.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So every time you accelerate, the wipers stop.
Oh,
Yeah.
Great
Yeah.
idea. So also, what are we doing?
What are we doing?
Precisely.
Yes, we're fixing up structural work. This will be handy evidence for the
It will be.
roadworthy. So down here, it cannot be roadworthy in that state because that's holding up probably a quarter of the force of the engine and front end, how it attaches to the car. So they have to be spot on, otherwise it doesn't get on the road. So they're called a K-frame.
And that's both sides.
Both sides, and then there's 4 of those K-frames, and then there's the 2 outer ones always rust out because that's what cops all the water getting runs up in there and stays there. There's your 2 K-frames, courtesy of Rare Spares. Down below, and that's what your K-frame's attached to.
Okay.
So that's that bit there, but on the inside. And then we just need a magician to make those outer bits there. And there's the special bolts that come with it. And then that's getting done. And so in here, some rough sections need put in along there underneath.
Oh, yeah.
It's very dark, isn't it?
And I've cut those 2 inner frames out there. Rear quarter inner guards.
Right.
Yeah. And those parts, and I don't know whether it's true or not, but I've been promised that they fit straight on. But you can probably tell that I'm a little bit sceptical. But yeah, otherwise the boot's in pretty good condition. The only good thing is there's nothing to be spent on the inside.
But the thing for us is how far in we've got to, like you were saying before.
Oh, of course, yeah. So you've got to cut that sill away.
This
Yep.
might have to come out.
Yep.
We see what's there, and there's some structure on the inside as well
Yeah.
that we've got to do. So
I'll actually have a look from my photos, and I'll send you pictures of the FB. Up
I was
on
going
the
to say,
hoist with
if
one
we can
side
get
done.
proper, like what it actually looks like,
Yeah.
great. Photos,
Yep.
manual, or that what you're talking about is perfect.
So-
Grab a bunch of photos of when it was done.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm starting to fall out in love with it. And then I'm sort of back into it again now. And I had a storm and I lost my roof, part of my roof in the shed, and it just got covered in black.
So this battery chargeable?
Yep.
Okay, because I've got a charger.
When I got it, it was up and running. So
Yeah.
I'd imagine if we charge it, it'll be fine.
Yeah, you may have to cut. Look, see that? You might be like half of your skin.
And then to get the right contour and whether
Shape.
often they sell parts to do that,
Yeah.
like replacement.
If you could get a rear quarter panel and just tack it in, that would be.
But mainly I'm concentrating on this.
Yep.
Sill.
Both sides. Yeah, should be good. Anyway, so this is our new project. It's pretty cool. I can't wait to start soon. As soon as we finish the sim rig project, this one's gonna be a next. Can't wait to show you guys soon. Alright, see you next time.